So today we are doing an exhaust on my 2018 F-150. It is the 5.0 10-speed, so it should sound a whole lot better than it does now. Let's just jump right into it. So right now we have stock cats into a Y. So it looks like a 2.5 to resonator to muffler delete. So we're going to get that changed today. So these two bolts, one is a 13, and the other one will be a 14. So I'm not sure how they got that to work, but now it's starting to fall off. Just being held on by that hanger, so we'll take that one off now. Had two more, but that weld broke off of that one, so it's all rusted. We also had that one, which is welded on the frame and the muffler, which all I'm going to do to get it out is put a pipe in there, turn it on a little bit. Un momento. Just like that. Old exhaust is out. It looks like it started to rust through this muffler. Don't even know what brand it is. Got the new straight piece in, the 90, and all the clamps to go along with it. Just like that. That looks straight enough. So we'll get this piece tack welded on, get it all jigged up, and go from there. So I just realized that I have nowhere to plug this in here. So what we're gonna do is load that into my car, because I don't want to drive this one. It's literally dumped right under my cab. But I do want to hear how it sounds, so we're going to start it up real quick and give it a listen. Deeper at idle. I'm gonna set you guys down and give it a little bit of a rev. It may not look like it, but my tire is flat. It's at like 15 psi and I cannot find the air chuck. So we are just going to load it into the truck because I am impatient. noticed is it is louder in the cab because it is right under me. But it definitely does sound better than before. It does sound good. I hear it every time I hit a bump. I can hear it hitting the cross member. Yeah. But it definitely has some tone to it. Okay, got it all in. Got a hose or a exhaust hanger, and right now it's just to a dump. I'll probably get a tip eventually, but I'm excited to hear how it sounds.
The next day.
It is the next day, and we're going to listen to the first cold start.
Modified exhaust systems serve no purpose other than to create fear, chaos, and intimidation.
Shut up, bitch!
Oh yeah, she is alive. Sounds night and day difference. I think I'm definitely gonna get a tip for it, but definitely worth it. Let's hear this exhaust. It actually sounds a whole lot better. Everything in here is flying around every time I give it some gas. Alright, this is going to conclude just today's video. It was definitely fun, and it does sound a whole lot better. It's definitely what this truck needed. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.